Hello friends, welcome to our channel Castor classes, and in this particular video I am going to discuss one practice problem taken from lead code based on the concept of list and string whatever we have discussed in our previous video. The problem number is 66 and the problem title is +1. So what it says, given a non-empty array of digits representing a non-negative integer plus 1 to the integer. The digits are stored such that most significant digit is at the head of the list and each element in the array contain a single digit. You may assume the integer does not contain any leading 0 except the number 0 itself. Suppose for example 1, 2, 3. So most significant digit is clearly written, it is the head of the list, that is 1. So actually my input integer number is 123. If we add 1 with it, we will be getting 124. So output is 1, 2, 4. Explanation clearly written, the array represents the integer 123. Next example 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the number formed by the digits are nothing but 4321. If you add 1 with it, you will be getting 4322. So try to think about one algorithm, those functions, those methods, whatever I have discussed in my previous video. Based on that, whether you can solve this particular problem or not, please have an attempt before moving forward to the solution. Here I am explaining. If you stuck, please check. But before moving to the solution, please have a attempt, okay? Because it will help to build logical thinking skill in you, which is required for placement interview process. So what we can do, very simple. First, these are in integers. Now we have to get the number, which is 123. We can get this. First of all, we have to convert this integer digits to strings. Then we can concatenate this string, and the concatenated string we can directly typecast to integer. We will add 1 with it. Then we will convert that added result to again string. We will split that string into list and we will give our output. That is what the simple algorithm says. So what we can do, first I am defining one empty string to create this particular integer. So for I in digits, because my list name, variable name is digits, which I am passing, okay, g plus equal to, sorry, here, not here, yeah, g plus equal to. Now here what will happen, see, we have to concatenate, but this I is integer, right? So we have to convert that to string, okay? So after execution of this for loop, g will be having the string representation 123. So what we will be doing, we will be converting to integer, then we will be adding 1 with it, right? Then we will again convert this to string. Then we can split this, okay, list of g. Now the list which will be formed, basically everything will be string because we are splitting one string to list, right? But we need to convert those to integer. So we can make one empty list here, and here we can traverse in the list for I in w output dot append. We will typecast to integer and then append, okay? So I hope this simple algorithm will work for this particular problem. Let us check return output. So let us run the code and check whether it is applied on the given test cases or not. Yeah, for 123 output is 124, expected is also 124. Now let me submit this and check whether it is accepted, whether it is running on the hidden test cases or not. Here you can see status is success. That means it is successfully applied on all the hidden test cases, and see, it is very much faster than 96.19% of Python 3 online submission. So quite good algorithm, we can say. So I hope just you need to know that how to convert string to integer, integer to string, how to form a list from a string. Those things, if you have a clear idea, then you can solve this type of problems easily. And this type of problems frequently asked in placement process. So practice these problems well. Whatever I am discussing in my playlist, I have arranged all the concepts serially. That is one method, one particular concept. After discussing that, related problems based on that concept, whether that may be from lead code or maybe from geeks for geeks or some other platform. Okay, so this will help you surely for placement process. And this is all for my this video. And if you find this video helpful, please like, share and comment. And if you have not subscribed our channel till now, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you for watching.